What are you doing?
Start it up.
Sounds crackly.
Oh, that ain't good.
What happened?
Bumper.
Oh.
Back to
Oh, here's the whole car. $1965, those are original. And it's a convertible, so we have a new top. We're just gonna wait to install that, but it has arrived with many other parts. Yeah, it's got new brakes and brake shoes and brakes.
No.
How many of y'all can do this old school?
Plenty, I'm sure.
Yeah. There's a lot of car buffs that follow you, that's for sure.
I gotta learn to put my glasses on though.
What are you doing?
Your foot is stuck. It has to be readjusted.
Always adjusting.
I found the problem. It's the friggin' Holly.
A lot of people say that they don't like your Holly. And they mentioned this Chevy, but we were just told in the last video that neighbor came by, they're gonna offer up a Pontiac motor, so Pontiac will be in it. But for now, this runs, so how long will it take you to blow it up? Couple runs? This car has never been driven easy.
Never seen one make it more than 20 runs. That's why it's not there no more.
Mm-hmm.
That's the long way.
She's unhappy about sitting for so long. Hello, everybody is joining up. Cool Chris, Dustin, Classic Car Hype House. Hey, how are you doing? Thought we'd try the live. This is our second live attempt, so sorry if it's weird.
I can't remember one around
Karen McNug, teacher, coach for life. Does not want to cooperate. I don't think your Holly's loving life, babe.
I think I need a float for it. that good.
Hi, DeVaries and Skylard. Well, got to run in there for a minute. Apparently the Holly carburetor is being a Holly carburetor. Thanks so much for everybody joining up. Appreciate it. Follow us along for his journey. The car's been sitting for 40 years and life's got in the way, but he's now redoing the car, so I'll follow along. We've got a ways to go yet. It's a 65 GTO. He's owned it since he was 15 years old. And we're in Central Florida, so it's been raining all weekend, and the sun finally peaked out a little bit. So we thought we'd come and try to start the car for you guys.
I didn't do that. Oh, the float must have soared the black float. Should have left the steel floats in it.
It was originally just water. You want some paper towels? Here's the interior while he's adjusting the carburetor. Always something gets adjusted. Interior is just where I think we're going to replace either just the skins or find new seats, but it's harder to do, to find the parts that is needed, of course.
Get new parts.
Need new parts?
Need new parts. That's questionable. I should have left the steel floats in there and I didn't.
Oh well.
No big deal. 4 screws and all that's all it takes.
This guy had 7 GTOs in the day. Woo, don't you wish you had them now, huh? But hey, you know how to work on them. Grab a wrench, come on over. That's it today? It's not going to get started? The Holly says no. No, we don't want to fire. But anyways, thanks you guys for coming on. Sorry I couldn't get going for you. We promise you will. But just not today. Not today. Anything you want to say, babe? Tell everybody thanks for following.
Well, it's trying to clean out the radiator. That was today's project. Looks like the stuff I put in there did a good job. But it's the original radiator to the car, or to the car's front end. She was built from 2 cars. This is the fenders and the hood are my dad's original car that was that mystic pink girl color.
Nothing wrong with that.
In the back of the section of the car is the red. But I took 2 cars put together as one. Now I find out that the pink mystic paint is rarer than all the GTOs. Only the dealers can purchase it or something along like that, somebody said. But I don't know how much truth is in it. But it's just not my color.
What color are you going to paint it?
Red. Mazda red. SUV red. Or the Toyota SUV red or Cadillac red. But it'll be a brilliant red metallic like that. The white pinstripe. Hopefully by September for sure. And if it don't, it takes me longer. It's a year project. That's what it'll be. But I was shooting for July 23rd to have it in primer and the drivable vehicle. But if we go pulling motors out of here, that'll be time consuming, mainly on money. Had all the money in the world, be no problem, the weekend project. But that's not the case here. So my neighbor's nice enough, Dennis, gave me a 421 for it. which we're believing it's a late model in a year, well, late model for me, somewhere between 63 and 66. But we're gonna have to check on it. I really don't care.
Motor's a motor, right?
I had put a Mazda motor in here if it went fast. Probably with the way I like to rev things, I'd be better off with a Mazda rotary engine. Wouldn't have all that bearing problem, but it'll make him, my brother, stepbrother, happy if I put a Pontiac motor back in it, even though he loaned me the money when we were kids to freaking purchase the motor. But he wasn't on board with it at all. But anyhow, it'll go one way or the other. I'll probably put this in my drag boat, where I can drag it behind the car with matching paint.
That'd be cool.
Since I painted my boat to match the car. So, anyway.
So you have over 8,550 followers. What do you think about that?
I don't know. I didn't think there were that many people interested in old junky old cars.
There is,
But
though.
I guess there is. But
Very nice.
This one here for me is always why I kept it so long. It's amazing. I like the lines on it. I like how it stands out. I do like a 66 taillights though. But I think a 66 should have had a 67 grille in it. It'd look a whole lot better. So, like I said, I like all cars. It don't matter to me. The all rakes bleeder from Harbor Freight work. We ain't gonna get a running engine today.
What do you say? Follow back.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Thanks, guys. Thank you for everyone who's followed along this journey so far. We got a ways to go. And we hope to make everybody proud and are so overwhelmed by the amazing followers and all the positive comments. It's just, y'all are amazing. And you've done so much for him and making him feel good and push